Over the years, we have been through changes in almost every aspect of our lives, be it the devices we use or the approaches we take. Change is certain, change is the way of life. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but building on the new. From analyzing your capability to honing your skills, from understanding your potential to matching it to this VUCA world, Wily Consulting supports you in all. Understand the communication without words by undergoing the communication trainings. Get the needed empathy and emotion to your presentation in Presentation Skill Program. Know to effectively close the sales inquiry by touching the heart of the buyer, as you know his behavior, through effective sales and negotiation workshop. Be the leader that is looked up to by the entire organization. Get that charisma in you. Join the Know the Leadership Development Program. All of this and lot more. Explore the modules and trainings relevant for students, educational institutes, and corporates. For students, some of the key training programs are Smart Study, Creativity and Emotion Workshop, Entrepreneurial Way of Thinking, Career Decision and Facilitation Program. For self-development and personal effectiveness, choose among Proficient Communication and Presentation Skills Workshop, Analyzing Quotients in You, Effective Goal Setting. Transform to Succeed by Understanding Future Work Skills, Knowing to Rise or Otherwise, Mining the Secrets of Success, and Hitting the Bull's Eye. Shape up under the pre-corporate training program, like Campus to Corporate, Time and Stress Management, Dining Etiquettes, and Image Consulting programs. Grow in corporate world with effective selling and negotiation skills, TQM, Finance for non-finance executives, Knowing the cross-cultural barriers, and Pre-Leadership Challenge. Become a charismatic leader by undergoing Leadership Development Program, Understanding the Change Management Gimmicks, and Imbibing Team Leadership Skills. To know more, log on to www.wilyconsulting.com.